connection playing. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Compress and out, in, out. We added optional footwork to that. Boom. Get playful. And then we just center away for the anchor. Cool? We then up to the ante a little bit by turning it into a slingshot. So we'll sugar push to set up for it. Yep. So now we slingshot. 1, compress, 2, out, 3, in. So same thing here. Leaders, make sure you're leaning all the way toward her on that inside foot and all the way out, all the way in, all the way out. The first exit we did, we just played with using the right hand to get her to come triple step, Then, using that right hand, 1, 2, out, in, out. Using the right hand, we're now going to give her an outside spin, out and under to elbow block. We talked about how important it is to have these vertical elbows. So we don't need to be grabbing hands, but we want to be connected along that entire forearm. So we connect, and ladies, I face him fully with my rotational energy. I face him to charge up into that connection point. Then he can give me a free spin off. I keep my elbows up as I spin so he can catch the tricep there. Again, I'm turning to face him fully into that connection point. Then he's going to free spin me again, catching my back and bringing it out like a whip. So we have ladies triple step, walk, 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 walk to anchor. And we talked about how there's some flexibility depending on leaders' footwork there. So we'll do that whole sequence now without stopping, that last slingshot. So we have, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Walk, walk, and we're done. Let's do it from the other side. Here we go.
Oh boy.
So we have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and slingshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. He lets me under. Triple connect, triple step, and anchor it out. Yeah, good job.